Hi, this is David and Kelly with The Big Question. Today we're on site at Gehan Homes, Carnegie Ridge and Denton, Texas. We still have questions coming about new builds, so thank you. Today people want to know, how can I make sure I'm choosing the right builder?
Oh, that's a great question. And today we're here with Arnold Adams. He's a sales counselor with Gehan Homes, and Arnold will pitch that question to you.
Well, there are probably three key questions that somebody would want to ask the builder before they actually decide to use them, okay? I would say the first question you want to ask is, the key thing on building a new home is communication throughout the process, okay? A lot of problems can be resolved as we go through the process just with some key communications, okay? And so you want to ask the sales counselor on site, well, how will I communicate with you, and who do I communicate with, okay? Mm-hmm. So at Gehan Homes, what we try to do, just for instance, to give you a sample, is every week I meet with the builder around 3 o'clock on Mondays, okay? I know most of the customer's concerns, and he gives me an update on what's going to happen that week and what he did last week, okay, and what he got accomplished. And then I'm the one that communicates with that buyer back on the phone or through email or text, whatever they prefer, okay? So that's a key question there. The second key question is you want to know more about the builder's stability and the history of the company, okay? For instance, our company's been in business over 30 years, okay? It was started here locally. But you want to make sure the builder is probably diversified, because if one market goes down, the other markets they're in can actually pull them through the storm, so to speak. So for instance, we build in 4 major markets. We build in Houston, San Antonio, Austin, and Dallas. We do have a presence in Phoenix as well. So if any of these markets go down, it's usually the other markets can pull us up, and keep us rolling. And who backs the company is also key, okay? The last thing you want to know is, and this is probably the most important thing, is what happens to me after you close my home? What's the service like after the sale? Because unfortunately, you're going to have some warranty issues come up, and you need to know how those are going to be resolved with the builder, okay? And you want to make sure that they do give you good service after the sale.
That's awesome.
And I'd say that's the 3 key questions you want to make sure that you get out front.
I think that's great. That's good to know.
Good. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Well, if you have a topic for our video series, feel free to leave us a message below. We would love to read your comments and have your feedback. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See you later.